I'm gonna do a quick video about my garage door opener. I know I need a haircut, and my wife don't like me to get on camera without getting a haircut or something, but I get one in a couple of days. But I just want to show you here what I did to my garage door opener. I wasn't getting a good signal, and I had to pull right up on my garage door to get it to open. Let me give you an example here. Okay, this is my garage door opener, and as you can see, I'm pushing it. Nothing's happened. Sometimes it'll work from this distance. Most of the times it won't. Sometimes I have to walk right up on it to get it to work. And I replaced the battery. It's a 2025 battery, which is a 20 millimeters in width and 2.5 millimeters thick. But this thing won't even open the garage. And I put a new battery in it. And sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. But I'm gonna show you what I did to fix that signal problem. What I did, I extended the antenna. It's really simple to do. You don't even have to put it on the outside of your house. So let me show you what was done. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did to get my signal to be boosted. What I did, I took some of this cable right here and I stripped this wire. This right here, you can use any one of them. I just used the green one. And I like to use solid wire. You get a better conductance. So what I did, I took this wire, and this purple wire here on my garage door opener is my antenna, and it usually hangs down. But what I did, I butt spliced this to the cable, and I ran the cable all the way down. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in, and I just let it hang right there. That's it. Just got those little connectors and nailed it up there. So what I did, I just ran my antenna wire from here all the way down and just put it close to the outside of the garage. You don't have to drill no holes and put it outside, just let it hang there. That's all you need, just a signal right there, just extend it. So this purple wire is about 11 inches long. So what I extended it to probably another 10 feet, and I just let it hang there. So let's go give it a try now and see how far it works. All right, I'm out here to the edge of the road. So I'm about 15, maybe 20 feet away. So let's try it. I'm gonna hit it. Oh, it worked the first time. You see that? I'm gonna hit it again and stop it. Let's go across the road to my neighbor's house. Okay, I'm across the road in my neighbor's yard. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Hit it again, stop it. All right, I'm gonna walk on down the road. I need to exercise anyway. So what I like to do when I get probably about 20 or 30 yards from my house, I would like to hit the button and open up the garage. So when I get there, it's already open. So just by extending that cable about 10, 15 feet, it made a big difference. As you can see, my house is over there. And you can see the garage. So I'm down the road. Let me see if it'll work. Oh man, look at that. I'm gonna hit it and stop it. Wow, just by doing that little extension, 2 houses down. Okay, right here. So that is a pretty good distance from here to there to get it to work. Before, it wouldn't even work when I was right up next to my garage. So this makes a big difference by putting that antenna. So by putting that antenna on there, makes a big difference. So when I get by right here, I want to be able to let my garage up while I'm driving my truck. As you can see, I hit it, it works fine. So I've been having this problem for about a year now. I even bought new remotes, and the only thing I had to do was just extend that antenna. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a great day.